Hello there! In the world of animated movie creation, there's no shortage of AI tools, but many of them come with a hefty price tag. But today, I've got something special for you, a free animation generator that's not only accessible on your desktop, but also right there in your pocket on your Android or iOS device. In this tutorial, I'm here to hold your hand through each and every step of the process, ensuring you can bring your animation movie dreams to life with ease. And guess what? We're going to do it using ChatGPT AI and the free text-to-animation generator. So let's get started. At first, we create a video script using ChatGPT to create our story or video script. We can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this video, we will use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate a video script for you. In this example, I asked ChatGPT to generate a dialogue between two aliens who are planning to invade Earth. Now we have the video script, then install text to the animation app. In this tutorial, we will use Plotagon, a text-to-film software available for Windows, Android, and iOS. Link in the description. Open the website. Go to the desktop app menu to download the Plotagon for Windows installer. Click Get It on Windows to start the download process. After the download is done, open the installer file to install Plotagon on your PC. Follow the installation instructions. Open the Plotagon and you have to register here using your email, Gmail, or Microsoft account to use this software for free in a 30-day trial mode. Attention please, I spent hours creating this video just for you. Would you please give me 3 seconds of your time for a quick like, comment, and subscribe? Thank you so much, my friend. Now start creating animation. Let's create our very first movie project. Open your Plotagon Studio. Click Create Video to start creating your animated movie. Now we have a blank scene. Click the icon to add a text plate scene for our opening scene. Paste or type your opening text or title. You can change the text position if needed. Now, click the VoiceOver menu to select your voiceover style. Set the voiceover volume and press the play button to see and listen to this opening scene. Click the music button to add music to our scene. Click on the music menu and select your music. Now here we will set our animation background. Click the movie clapper menu and select the scene background. Now we create our two characters, which will be alien. Add an actor to our scene by clicking the actor menu. You can select a pre-made character or click the Create Character button to create your own character. First, select your character's gender or use the Randomize button to select a random gender. Now, select your character's face shape. You can change any object's color by selecting a color from the color menu at the bottom. You can also change the hairstyle, mustache, eye color, and shape. In this example, we will use an alien head from the Accessories menu to create an alien character. After that, let's change our character's apparel. Now let's choose a voice style for our character. Click the icon to change our character's name. Set a name. Click the Done button to save our custom character. Repeat these steps to create our second character. Let's set our character position. Now, select our first character for our scene. Let's change our character's position by clicking the Position menu on the right side of our character's name. Select your desired position. In this example, I will place this character on a chair. Now, add our second character to the scene by clicking the Actor menu once again. Select your second character and set the second character's position. Let's add a camera style by clicking the camera icon. Select your desired camera style. Click the play button to see how this camera style looks. Let's add a sound effect to your scene to make it more cinematic by clicking the bell icon. Select your desired sound effect. Now we will add our script, which we created by the ChatGPT. Click the dialogue icon to add a new dialogue to the current scene. Select your character from the list. Copy your dialogue script from ChatGPT and paste it into Plotagon's dialogue. Now, click the microphone icon to listen to this dialogue voiceover. You can also record your own voice or select your audio file from this menu. Now, add a new dialogue scene for our second character. Now you can give more animation to your character. You can change the character's animation by selecting from the animation menu on the right side of the character's name. Repeat all these steps until the end of the dialogue. Once everything is set, click the Export button. You can render the video or export the project. Click Render the video, choose your preferred resolution, and click Render Video. Here is the result of this AI animation movie tutorial.
Long time ago. Xylox, we've been observing Earth for centuries. It's time we make our move.
Zarak, invading a planet inhabited by sentient beings is no small matter. What if they resist?
That's the thrill, Xylox. We've analyzed their technology. They're primitive compared to us. We'll be unstoppable.
But what about their culture, their lives? We'll disrupt everything they've built.
That's the cost of progress, my friend. Our race deserves Earth's resources.
Zarak, I can't ignore the beauty in their world. We can't just take it from them.
Xylox, we need those resources to save our dying planet. This is our only chance.
Thank you for watching this free AI animation tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye-bye.